Hello students, welcome to one more session on Python Programming Lab. Okay, in today's session we will see the second program in our lab list. Okay, the second one is write a Python program to find the prime numbers below n, right? So the second lab program, what we have is write a Python program to find the prime numbers below n. So for this, we have to see how actually we have to know if condition, okay, as well as for, and how to use if inside for statement, right? So we will see how it is done. Okay. So initially we will try to work on Python interpreter to see how actually if for and if works. Okay. Initially I will go into the Python interpreter. Okay. Here we will work on few syntaxes. Okay, we will work on few syntaxes, how actually we have to use if statements. Okay, so here in Python, okay, it supports usual logical conditions. Okay, so Python supports usual logical conditions, right? That is equals. Equals means A double equal to B, right? Then it supports not equal, not equals. So how that is written? A exclamatory mark equal to B. So then it supports less than, A less than B. Then it supports less than or equal to. Okay, how it can be written? A less than symbol equal to B. Okay, so then greater than, greater than, A greater than B, right? Lastly, greater than or equal to, right? So A greater than or equal to B. So these are some of the logical conditions which we can use while writing if statements. Okay, these conditions can be used in several ways. Most commonly, it can be used in if statements and loops. All these logical conditions can be used in if statements and loops. Okay, right? So here in Python, we use if statement by the name or by the keyword if. So if statement can be written in Python by using if. We will see with an example how this works. Okay, I will try to give enter just to differentiate with the logical conditions and the actual code example what I am writing now. So a equal to 33, then b equal to 200. Okay, so I'm using if now. If b is greater than a, you need to use colon. Okay, so first write if keyword followed by the condition b greater than a followed by colon, two dots. Then press enter followed by a tab space. Then write print within double quotes b is greater than a, right? Close the bracket. Okay. Press enter twice. So if b is greater than a, it will print b is greater than a. If the condition is true, it will print the statement what I have given, right? So the same way you can use else if. Okay, so the same way you can use else if. We will take one more example. A equal to 33, b equal to 33, equal to 33. Then I will use if same way b is greater than a followed by colon. Again, indentation is very important in Python. So a tab space print within double quotes b is greater than a. Close the double quote, close the parenthesis, right? Elif followed by a condition a double equal to b followed by colon. Again, press enter. With indentation, you need to press tab space. Again, use print within double quotes a and b are equal. Okay, close double quotes, close parenthesis, press enter twice. So as here, both values what I have given as an input is 33 is assigned to A and again 33 is assigned to B. Both the values are same. So the false block statement is printed as an output. So as the condition A equal to B is satisfied, the statement what we have written in the false block a and b are equal, that is printed. Okay, so like this you can also use else. Okay, so the else keyword catches anything which isn't caught by the preceding conditions. Okay, so here what we can do is, so if it doesn't matches any above conditions, then the else will catch this condition. Example, A equal to 200, okay, B equal to 33, okay. If condition B is greater than A followed by colon, then press tab indentation for indentation, print within double quotes, close the parenthesis, within double quotes, B is greater than A. Okay, then else if, okay, then one more condition, A double equal to B, we are checking for same number, okay, Again enter plus tab space. Again use print double quotes. Within double quotes A and B are equal. Okay. Then lastly we will use else followed by colon. If if doesn't if the above statements, if the above condition doesn't catch anything, then this else will catch. Okay, so else enter followed by tab space. Indentation is very much important in Python. I'm using print followed by double quotes, parenthesis, double quotes, parenthesis close. Within double quotes is greater than b, right? So yes, this completes the program. So see, A is assigned with 200, B is assigned with 33. So it is giving A is greater than B. So as it is first condition, it didn't caught the it didn't catch anything, so it will next the second condition is check. Even the second condition didn't catch anything, so finally it will the else part catches the uncatched thing, right? So here it is printing A is greater than B, right? So we will now see how it is written in pie chart, how actually we have to write. So I will take one more file. Okay, so I will take one more file in our project, Python file. So to part A, second program BCA underscore lab, right? So second program, that is, we need to print Python. We need to write a Python program to print prime numbers below n. Okay, we will try to write the program to this. Okay, okay. So initially, first we need to use num. Okay, num is used to take input and num is used to store the input from the user. Okay, so when the user gives an input, it will be assigned to num variable. Okay, I am taking again int followed by input followed by parenthesis. Within double quote I will write enter number. Okay, so I will ask the user to enter a number, right? After the user give or type a number, that is assigned to the variable num, right? Now just to uh, just to check, I use the flag. Okay, flag will be true always. Okay, then I will check the condition with the help of if. If num is greater than 1. So, if the number is greater than 1, always we try to enter the if statement. So within that we have to write for loop. So it needs to print all the prime numbers till n, right? So we have to use for loop. For I in range, so the range I'm using, range will be starting from 2 till the number the user has given as an input. Okay, so then after this, so for starts from 2 and goes up to the num. So num means what the user has entered. Okay, press enter. Then if num modulus I equal to 0, then make flag equal to true. Okay, I will make flag equal to false initially, right? Later on inside I will make the flag to true, right? After this, if it matches, if after flag is true, I will come out. I will break from the statement. Okay, so okay, then if flag, so if the flag is true, this means if the flag is true, I will print number comma followed by is not a prime number, right? Then else print. See here it is automatically taking the indentation, right? So print number comma within double quotes is a prime number, right? So this is how we write program for prime numbers. Okay, to find the prime numbers from 2 to the number which the user has given as an input, right? We will save Control S, we will see does it work or not. Right click, I am running, right? So I need to give the input, enter number, okay? Prior, I will give 10, okay? So 10 is not a prime number, okay? So it is giving 10 is not a prime number, okay? So I will run it again, okay? I will give 3. I will enter 3 as an input. So 3 is a prime number. So it is giving 3 as a prime number. Like this you can check for other numbers, okay? So whatever the number you give as an input, it will check if it is a prime number or not. Okay, if it is prime number, it will print prime number. If it is not a prime number, with number it will print it's not a prime number, right? So this completes the second program, okay, in your lab cycle. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much. We will meet in the next session with one more program from your lab list.